Okay, class, finishing up this chapter with spleen. So spleen is a lymphatic organ, and it is surrounded by dense irregular connective tissue. The extensions of the connective tissue capsule make trabeculae, which divide it into white pulp and red pulp. Remember, in case of the spleen, there is no medulla or cortex. So let's take a look here. So this is a cross section of the spleen. We do see the capsule, right, in tan color. So this is the capsule. Actually, I should use a different color than red. So this is the capsule. And the capsule invaginates to form trabeculae. Do you see these? I'm highlighting. So these are the trabeculae. And the trabeculae forms, the trabeculae invaginates to form lobule-like structures. Okay, so if you look inside the spleen, there are two prominent areas. We have a red part called the red pulp, and then there are white areas called white pulp. I want you to remember that the white pulp is associated with the splenic artery. Now, if you look here, if you look here, this is a white pulp, and the white pulp is associated with the splenic artery. If you look at the red pulp, the red area is associated with the splenic vein. Okay, so the white pulp is supplied by the splenic artery, and the red pulp is supplied by the splenic vein. Now, spleen actually works as an emergency reservoir for blood. So let's say something happens to us and we lose blood from the body. Spleen works as a blood reservoir. So it'll provide some blood in case of emergency. So it kind of holds blood. Last thing, the white pulp has T cells, B cells, and other macrophages, and that monitors the blood for potential pathogen. Also remember, the spleen scans the blood, not the lymph. And spleen also helps in breakdown of old RBC. Remember from the blood lecture, old RBCs are phagocytosed in the liver and spleen. We talked about this before. Alright, so that finishes my lecture on the lymphatic system. Easy thing, and we can, if you have questions, we can pick it up during our discussion time.